Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Language and Region. And here we've got the language list. So let's tap on Edit. And as you can see here, we've got the all available languages applied, and all you have to do is to find your language and then tap on this plus icon next to it. So just find it and tap on plus, and your device will ask you if you'd like to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on yes. Yes. Now, after getting back to the to the top of the list, you can see that the Turkish language has been immediately applied at the top, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you wish, you can quickly reorder the languages and change the default one. Just tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you if you want to do it, so just tap on this first option. And we've got English set. And of course, if you'd like to remove the languages from this list, simply tap on this minus icon next to it, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.